Deb here. I'm going to throw something out there for you. I have recently lost a job that I had through the pandemic, and that type of job I had been doing for 20 years. And believe it or not, I'm only 35 years old. I've been thinking about how to recreate myself again. And I'm sure a lot of people are going through similar things right now because of what has been happening in the world for the last year. So here's a question for you. I heard a term, and I'm going to share it with you because I thought it was a cool term because it kind of describes myself. It's called job insanity. And I found out, the true definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting something different. So here's the deal. When you're working for somebody else and you are doing their tasks, their job description, the way they want it, it's really not supposed to turn out somewhere else, because it's their job. When you do it for yourself, however, it becomes your passion. So when you really break it down, you're supposed to kind of go nuts, which is why people have job burnout. So here's the deal. If you could find a way to recreate a passion that maybe you had before and forgot about, or you're struggling trying to figure out what your passion is, and find something that is fulfilling, and they are your tasks to obtain your goals, I'm going to hook up a link down below. It's a path that I'm going to be trying myself, and I'm encouraging you to look at it. It's free. You have nothing to lose. What you have to lose, maybe finding something that's going to satisfy all the things that your other jobs have made you crazy about. You have to, because you will be your boss, and if you make yourself crazy, you can give yourself a break, or even a vacation, because you're the boss. Just a different perspective and a different way to look at things. People are in a terrible space right now trying to recreate who they are, and they're stuck in this job insanity, doing things for somebody else, doing their tasks and expecting something different. Remember, you're not wrong feeling that way, but it's never designed for you to fulfill yourself working for somebody else. If you're interested in looking at something that might be able to help you become the master of your own destiny, check out the link I have below. See what it does for you. It's a free service, and my name is Deb. You can contact my mentor, Cam, at his number. It will be on the link below. I wish you all the best of luck. Please holler if you need any additional help. Here's to recreation.